Hello friends, welcome to Ashwint Dental Info. Today we will be seeing some shocking facts on COVID-19. I am pretty sure you are in because of the thumbnail, but it's not so. It's a lot more shocking than what you really expected. COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 19 is a respiratory problem as you know, but it is capable of causing long-term or lifetime side effects even after recovery. In this video, I will be sharing you 10 important points which makes this disease a deadly one not for just 4 weeks but for a lifetime. The first problem comes here is cardiac disease. In University of Frankfurt in Germany, about 75% of recovered people came back with some abnormal heart findings. Though they don't seem so significant, but it's a big question mark of what they are going to do in the future. The second one comes dyspnea or difficulty in breathing. Some patients, even after recovering from COVID-19 disease, have some sort of difficulty in their breathing patterns and have abnormal breathing patterns as well. It is because the COVID-19 has already damaged their lungs and caused a fibrosis. It means that the elasticity of their lungs has been lost. And third point is the neurological manifestation. COVID-19 recovered patients have a lot of headache, fatigue, numbness, pain, and they have more problem concentrating things. Though these problems did not cause serious side effects, these can be a lifetime troublemaker for them. More researches are yet to be done to prove this. The fourth problem which comes with COVID-19 is related to the vision. It causes a range of ophthalmic complications from conjunctivitis. The fifth one comes here is renal and liver manifestations. Renal failure and liver failure have also been reported, but was it because of COVID-19 or because of a pre-existing liver and renal condition is still a mystery. The sixth one which comes here is gastrointestinal disturbances. As the patient is admitted in the hospital for a longer time, their dietary pattern has changed, and when they recover, they return home, their dietary pattern again returns to normal. This may cause some gastrointestinal problems as well. And the seventh problem is musculoskeletal disorders. As the patient is hospitalized in bed for a longer time, this leads to weakening of muscles and thereby muscle wasting, and this will cause problems in the long run. And the eighth one which comes here is general issues like lethargy, laziness, fatigue, etc. Coming to point 9 and 10, these are not complications but the remedial measures which can be taken to account for the problems which I have listed. COVID-19 disease must not be like just acquiring the disease, the person is getting quarantined, he is getting treated, he gets recovered and he moves on. It's not like that. He requires a long-term care. This is because the post-recovery symptoms also play a major role and can cause serious effects on the individual. The 10th point is WHO has given 3 R's, which is recognition. We must recognize what disease it is, and then we have to rehabilitate, and then research. Recognition, rehabilitation and research. In these possible ways, we can win COVID-19 not for just 2019 and 20 but also for a lifetime. Thanks for watching. If you find this video informative, do share it with your friends and family. Also press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified about my videos on medicine, dental and general health. Signing off from you is Ashwin Tellam. Let health and kindness be our concern.